Managing orders on AutoDS is simple and streamlined through automation. Here's a step-by-step guide to effectively manage your orders. Monitor new orders. In your AutoDS dashboard, go to the Orders tab to see incoming orders. Orders from integrated platforms like Shopify, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace are automatically synced. Automate order fulfillment. Enable automatic orders in AutoDS to let the system purchase products from your suppliers automatically when an order is placed. AutoDS handles payments and enters your customers' shipping information, reducing manual work. You can also use Fulfilled by AutoDS, where AutoDS takes care of the entire process, including tracking updates. Track order status. Once the order is processed, AutoDS updates the status. Tracking numbers are automatically uploaded to your selling platform, keeping customers informed. Handle returns and cancellations. Use the AutoDS dashboard to monitor customer requests for returns or cancellations. Communicate with suppliers directly through AutoDS to initiate returns or refunds efficiently. Manage out-of-stock issues. AutoDS monitors supplier stock in real time. If a product is unavailable, it notifies you and suggests replacements or alternative suppliers.